Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Medicine. In today's session, we are going to discuss one of the interview question which was asked in Capgemini. So Capgemini is one of the MNC company in India. In that MNC company, so one of the candidate got this interview question. So the question will be look like this. He is displaying the student data which is having the student ID, name and marks, and he is expecting the output would be look like this. Means he need the person who is getting the highest marks as well as the low marks, and we should display that another column, name it as a display tag. The person who is getting highest marks should be tagged as topper, and lowest one should be tagged as footer. So here is the problem statement. And if you observe carefully here, we should order by these two records. The person getting the highest mark should be populated first, followed by the last marks candidate. Okay, so I have the sample data available in my SQL server. So this is my table. So I'm going to query only name and marks. So generally, right, when we say the highest marks or lowest marks, we deal with the dense rank. So this problem can be solved in multiple ways, but when we talk about highest and lowest marks, we generally use the dense rank. So I'm going to use the dense rank inside this query like this, order by sal order by marks DES has high marks. So if I execute this query, so I'm just calculating the dense rank, or I'm just calculating the ranking of a person based on their marks, and I'm going to provide the person who is getting the highest marks as rank 1. Second highest marks person will get the second highest rank. So if you observe carefully dense rank, we are calculating the rank based on the marks, and order by marks DESC. The highest person will get the first rank, second person will get the second rank, and so on. And I will execute this query. Let me execute this one. But here if you observe the Excel sheet here, he don't want all the person. He need the topper as well as the low earning marks person. So first I'll just query only topper. So I just add this result inside a CTE with CTE as select star from CTE. So I need a top ranker. So I just use the where class to filter the data. So where high marks person equal to 1. So I'll just filter the data based on this high rank column. Now I'll get only a single person who is getting the highest marks. But along with the highest marks, we need the person who is getting the low marks as well. So I just reuse this dense rank function inside CTE. So instead of marks DSC, I just make it as a ascending. I'll just give name as low marks. That's it. So if I run this internal query, then two columns has been created, one for high marks, this one for low marks. In high marks, right, the person getting the highest marks got rank 1, second highest got 2, and so on. But here in low marks column, the person who is getting the highest or lowest marks is getting the rank 1, second lowest second rank, and so on. So I need a first record and this last record. To get this result right, what I'm going to do, I just apply the R, then low marks 1, which means, hey SQL, just get the details of a person's whose high marks equal to 1, means this one. It will go to this column, it will check rank 1, and it will fetch this record. Next, it will go to this column, low marks, this one. It will fetch a record which is having the 1 value and this one. So if I execute the query, see, I got Samala, she is having low marks, Pushpa, she is having the high marks. Okay, here I don't want these high marks and low marks columns. I just add name, next one is marks. That's it. And here, right, we need to sort them based on their marks. Highest person should display it first, their lowest marks person. Here I just use order by marks DESA. Yeah. But one problem here, right? We got only half of the output. We need this display tag as well. So we need to add Pushpa as a topper and Shamla as a footer. Because Pushpa got the highest marks, we should tag him or her as topper and Shamla as footer. So to do that, we can use the case when statement in SQL. So I just use case when statement, case when high rank equal to 1. The person who is getting the high rank, then name it as topper. Otherwise, a footer. That's it. We have to end it and we can provide the alias name, display tag. If I execute this one, see, I got the expected output. So here we got the same result. Pushpa 98, Pushpa 98 topper, Shyamala 50 footer. So that's how we can solve this problem. So in this approach, I have solved this problem based on dense rank. Even we can solve this problem without dense rank. But generally, when I talk about high ranks, highest marks, lowest marks, top n marks, we generally use dense rank function. Without dense rank function also we can solve this problem that we can cover in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.